ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಊಟ ಸಿಗೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಊಟ ಸಿಗೋದು.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Hello everyone, are you all there?
Good evening, sir.
Yesterday we have started discussing acids, bases, and salt, right?
Yes, sir.
We have started discussing what is an acid, the definitions, and what are different acids. Then reaction of acids with the metals, right? That's what we have started yesterday. Yes or no? Hello everyone, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
can you hear me? Okay. So today let us start another reaction of an acid with metal oxides. Reaction of acids with metal oxide. Reactions of acid with metal oxide. Reactions of acid with metal oxide, right? See, in the metal oxides, when you look at the periodic table, first group elements are called alkali metals, and second group elements are called alkaline earth metals, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First group first group elements are alkali metals, and second group elements are alkaline earth metals. Now, the oxides of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, they are highly basic in nature. Oxides of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals are basic in nature, and their basic nature increases down the group. That means calcium oxide is more basic than magnesium oxide. Magnesium belongs to second group, that means alkaline earth metal. Calcium is also belongs to second group, that is also alkaline earth metal. Yes or no? Now, magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Calcium oxide is also basic in nature. But between calcium oxide and magnesium oxide, calcium oxide is more basic because basic nature of metal oxides increases down the group. In the periodic table, when you look at the group, their basic nature of metal oxide increases down the group. And basic nature of oxides that decreases across a period. That means magnesium oxide is less basic than sodium oxide. Correct? So, because of this periodic trend, we can say that especially alkali metal oxides and alkaline earth metal oxides, they react with acid because they are basic in nature, right? Any basic substance that would react with acidic substance. That is why, especially oxides of alkali metals and oxides of alkaline earth metals, they react with an acid to form corresponding salt and water. Okay. So you can write down the points. Metal oxide. Alkali metal oxides and alkaline earth and alkaline earth metal oxide. Alkali metal oxides and alkaline earth metal oxides are basic. Alkali metal oxides and alkaline earth metal oxides are highly basic in nature. Second point, basic oxide. Pardon? Yes. Any doubt? Okay. Basic nature of oxides increases down the road. Basic nature of oxides increases down the group in the periodic table. Down the group in the periodic table. Basic nature of oxides increases down the group in the periodic table. Similar. Basic nature of oxide is the,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Your voice is low, sir.
Am I not audible?
Now you're audible, sir.
So is that visible on the board? What I'm writing on the board, is that visible?
Yes, sir.
Basic nature of oxides decreases across a period. Across a period in the periodic table. So basic nature of oxides decreases across a period in the periodic table. In the periodic table. See, basic nature that increases down the group in the periodic table and decreases across a period in the periodic table. So from this you can confirm, if you write magnesium oxide plus HCl, there will be reaction. But if you write carbon dioxide plus HCl, there is no reaction, because HCl is also an acid. Carbon dioxide is also acidic oxide, because acidic nature of oxides that increases across a period and decreases down the group. Got it? When the metallic nature decreases across a period, when you look at the periodic table on the right hand side or P block elements, there you can see only non-metals, right? And oxides of non-metal are acidic and oxides of metals are basic. Okay. So you can write general reactions. Metal oxide MO. Metal oxide MO plus acid gives what? Metal oxide plus acid gives what? Salt. Salt plus water. Metal oxide plus acid gives corresponding salt plus water. This is the general reaction. Hope that's clear.
Yes, sir.
That's clear. All of you wrote this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Can you write some more examples? Everyone, shall I erase this? Everyone, shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. If you write sodium oxide, what is the charge on sodium? Na plus. What is the charge on oxide? O2 minus. Then what should be the formula of this sodium oxide? Na2O, right? Yes or no? It is Na2O. So now oxides of all alkali metals is like M2O, Na2O, K2O, like that, Li2O. So it is M2O. Generally, you can write M2O. So first, let us take sodium oxide. Right? When sodium oxide Na2O is treated with an acid like HCl, it should be which product? Corresponding salt. Salt borough. ಯಾವ salt ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Sodium Cl minus. Perfectly, you will get NaCl. Then general reaction you have written now. right?
H2O.
H2O. Metal oxide plus acid gives salt plus water. So here, you should give water, H2O. Is that balanced? No. Here, Na2 we have. Therefore, here it should be 2 NaCl. When it is 2 NaCl, 2 Cl, here you should get 2. Now is it balanced? Na2O plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Similarly, you can take one more reaction. Na2O plus I take one more acid, HNO3. Nitric acid. What should be the product? Salt. Which salt? Sodium.
NaNO3.
क्या salt बरता है?
NaNO3.
Sodium
Sodium.
nitrate. Sodium nitrate. Perfect. NaNO3. NaNO3 plus again H2. Here it is Na2O, therefore it should be 2 NaNO3. If it is 2 NO3, here you should have 2 NO3. Now it's balanced. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next reaction. Na2O plus, I'll take one more acid, let's say sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. Now it gives which salt?
Sir, NaSO4.
Huh? No, really.
Na2SO4.
Na2SO4. Yes. Here, while writing the sodium sulfate, remember charge on sodium is Na plus and charge on sulfate. Sulfate is a radical. Charge on sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So the formula will be Na2SO4. E charge will baratte, E charge will baratte. So it becomes Na2SO4. So here you will be writing the product Na2SO4. Na2SO4 plus H2O. Correct? Huh? Hope that's clear.
Yes, sir.
Can you write these 3 examples by taking another alkali metal oxide K2O? Quickly, can you write? All of you. Instead of sodium, you will be writing potassium. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, instead of sodium, can you take potassium and write the reactions with HCl, HNO3 and H2SO4?
Yes, sir.
Great. Quickly write. Everyone, please. Along with you, I'll also write.
Sir, shall I tell?
Pardon?
Sir, can I tell?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Sir, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Sir, can I tell?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Can you please text?
Sir, first one is potassium chloride plus H2O.
Correct. Second one. Okay. You want to give example? Fine. K2O, this only you write, no problem. By taking K2O, K2O with HCl, KCl. Na2O, sorry, K2O plus HNO3, KNO3. K2O plus H2SO4, K2SO4. Potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, and potassium sulfate. Okay. I'll also write along with you. Quickly finish this. K2O plus 2HCl gives 2KCl plus H2O. Na2O plus 2HNO3 2KNO3 plus H2O. Next, K2O plus H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus H2O. Right? All these are the reactions. Fine. All of you finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I take magnesium oxide. With HCl. Which product will get? Magnesium oxide with HCl.
Magnesium chloride.
Magnesium chloride. What's the formula of magnesium chloride?
MgCl2.
Mg.
Cl2.
That's it. MgCl2 plus H2O. This is Cl2. There are two chlorine atoms. Here one, therefore it should be two HCl. Two hydrogen atoms, OO. Yes, it's a balance. MgO plus 2HCl is MgCl2 plus H2O. Similarly, MgO plus HNO3 gives MgNO3 twice plus H2O. MgNO3 twice plus H2O. NO3 twice with 2HNO. Then it's balanced. MgO plus H2SO4. MgO plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2O. Yes, this is already balanced, right? Next, you can pick up calcium oxide. Calcium oxide plus directly you can write 2HCl gives calcium chloride plus H2O. Calcium oxide plus 2HNO3 gives calcium nitrate CaNO3 twice plus H2O. Calcium oxide plus H2SO4 gives calcium sulfate plus H2O. Hope that's clear. Reaction of metal oxides with acid. Any doubt? All of you finished this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yes, so finished.
Yeah. Next is reaction of acids. Reactions of acids with metal carbonates. Metal carbonates and bicarbonates. Metal carbonates and bicarbonates. So if you are writing the carbonates of alkali metals, how will you write? What is the charge on alkali metals? Na plus. What is the charge on carbonate? Carbonate is acid radical. So radical it is. Its charge you should know. Carbonate. CO3 2 minus. ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Charges on radicals ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? Carbonate, sulfate, nitrate, phosphate, nitrite, then halite, all that. Charge you should know. This you should remember. Charge on carbonate is 2 minus. Now if you want to carbonate of alkali metals, how will you write? Example, sodium carbonate. This charge with this. Then it should be Na. This charge with this. CO3 1. So you don't need to mention that one. It should be Na2CO3. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the general reactions of metal carbonates with acid is metal carbonate MCO3 or M2CO3. Okay. MCO3 or M2CO3. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Plus acid. Gives corresponding salt. Plus it also liberates carbon dioxide. When acid reacts with metal carbonates, it produces corresponding salt and liberates carbon dioxide gas. And forms water. Metal carbonates plus acid gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. This is the general reaction. Now let's take an example by taking sodium carbonate. Okay. Sodium carbonate, its formula is Na2CO. When it reacts with HCl, what happens? It forms corresponding salt. What is the corresponding salt?
NaCl.
HCl plus
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide, CO2 plus H2O, O3. So here O2, O, 3 oxygen atoms. It is balanced. H2 here it is. Here it's only one H. Therefore it will be 2 HCl. Then here we have only Cl, but here 2 Cl and 2 Na. Therefore it should be 2 NaS. It's balanced now. It's balanced, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, you can take one more acid. Na2CO3 plus HNO3 HNO3 gives what? Sodium nitrate, NaNO3. NaNO3, sodium nitrate plus CO2 plus H2O. Again Na2, so here it should be 2 NaNO3, then here it is 2 HNO. Now it's balanced. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next reaction, when sodium carbonate is treated with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, gives what? Na2SO4, Na2SO4 plus CO2, Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O, right? Hope that's clear.
Yes, sir.
Can you write the same 3 types of reactions by taking potassium carbonate, K2CO3? Very good. K2CO3, very good. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Write another 3 examples by taking potassium carbonate. Quick, quick. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Write the reaction, these 3 reactions by taking potassium carbonate. I can't finish.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. I'll wait, no problem.
Sir, first one KCl2 plus H2O plus CO2.
First one is KCl2 na.
Yes, sir.
KCl2 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
KCl, sir.
ಹಾ, ಇವಾಗ KCl ಬರೀಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು Na+ ತಾನೆ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ potassium ಚಾರ್ಜ್ K+, because sodium and potassium belongs to same group in the periodic table. Potassium को K+ ಬರಬೇಕಾ? Cl ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನು? Cl-. ಇದ್ರ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ KCl ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಹೋಪ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 2 KCl ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ KCl2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
It's supposed to be 2 KCl ಅಲ್ವಾ, not KCl2.
Okay, sir.
2 Na ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ potassium ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Because charge remains same, charge of potassium and sodium remains same. Na2CO3 ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ K2CO3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. When it is K2CO3, here will be 2HCl, 2KCl, CO2, H2O. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Na2CO3 ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? K2CO3, K2CO3, 2HNO3, 2KNO3. Okay, here it comes 2KNO3, CO2 plus H2O. Na2CO3, again here it is K2CO3, H2SO4, K2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
The last one, once again, you repeat, sir.
Which one?
Last one, sir.
Last reaction, huh?
Yes, sir. With potassium, sir.
Potassium. Huh? I'll write the reaction. So here it is sodium carbonate. What is the formula of sodium carbonate? Na2CO3, right?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of sodium carbonate, I'll take potassium carbonate. What is the formula of potassium carbonate? K2CO3.
Yes, sir.
Same. Instead of sodium, you will have potassium because charge remains same and valency also remains same for sodium and potassium. It's 1. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
K2CO. All right. K2CO. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Instead of Na2SO4, you will get K2SO. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, sir.
Potassium charge plus K plus. Sulfate the charge ಏನು? SO4 2-. ಇವಾಗ this charge should be written along with potassium and this charge should be written along with sulfate. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. Sulfate the charge ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ A2. Then you will write sulfate SO4. ಇವಾಗ K plus ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ 1. So if it is 1, you don't need to write. So K2SO4, that's the formula of potassium sulfate. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ potassium carbonate K2CO3. CO3 ಗೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ 2- ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ತರನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Hope that's clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll write one more reaction of metal carbonate with acid. I'll write magnesium carbonate. Formula of magnesium carbonate is MgCO3. Magnesium carbonate formula is MgCO3. Why only it comes MgCO3? Mg2CO3 ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ is 2 plus ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ is CO3 2 minus. ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀರ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಬರಿ Mg2 ಸರಿ ಯಾ Mg2 ಆಮೇಲೆ then you will write CO3. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it will be 32 ಅಂತ leads to confusion. That is why you will open bracket, then you will write 2. So it is 2:2, that means 1:1. So you can write Mg CO3. Since the ratio is 1:1, since the ratio is 1:1, you can write Mg CO3. That is why magnesium carbonate formula is MgCO3. Correct? ಇನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? Hope that's clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we start writing this reaction with magnesium carbonate?
Yes, sir.
First HCl ತಗೋತೀರಾ. Magnesium carbonate plus HCl gives what? Magnesium chloride. What's the formula of magnesium chloride? MgCl2. ಹೌದಾ? MgCl2 plus carbon dioxide CO2 plus H2O. Magnesium carbonate plus HCl gives MgCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Since it is MgCl2 here, you are writing 2HCl here. Now it's balanced. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next one. MgCO3 plus HNO3. Magnesium nitrate MgNO3 twice. MgNO3 twice plus CO2 plus H2O. NO3 twice is there, therefore it is 2HNO3 here. ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Take sulfuric acid, MgCO3 plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 sorry plus CO2 plus H2O. MgCO3 plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದಾ? ಈಗ ಸೇಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂಗೂ +2 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ CaCO3. Okay. So in all the cases wherever that magnesium is present, there you will be writing calcium. That's it. Because calcium and magnesium both belong to the same group in the periodic table. Hope that's clear. ಬರಿಬಹುದಾ ನೀವು? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Quickly ಬರೀತೀರಾ all the 3 examples with calcium carbonate?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you understood general reaction why I wrote MCO3 and M2CO3. Magnesium carbonate ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾಗ MCO3 ಅಂತ, sodium carbonate ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾಗ M2CO3 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Hope that's clear. Yes, finished. ಮೂರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes.
finished?
Yes, sir.
Sir, last one.
Okay, ಬರೀರಿ, no problem, I'll wait.
Okay, sir, finished.
See, here we wrote metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates, right? Bicarbonate is also a radical like carbonate. Carbonate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Carbonate radical the charge ಏನು? CO3. Carbonate.
-2 minus.
Carbonate charge is CO3 2 minus. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ bicarbonate, its the charge is HCO3 minus. Bicarbonate means HCO3 minus and its charge is -1. That is bicarbonate. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? CO3 2 minus. Bicarbonate ಅಂದ್ರೆ HCO3 minus. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್, ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is the charge on sodium? Plus. What is the charge on bicarbonate? HCO3 minus. Charge on sodium ion is Na plus and charge on bicarbonate ion is HCO3 minus. Now, ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ what you will write? NaHCO3. ಹೌದಾ? NaHCO3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್. ಅದೇ ತರ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? KHCO3. K plus HCO3 minus KHCO3. ಹೌದಾ? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Potassium bicarbonate. Formula of potassium bicarbonate is KHCO3. Where is this?
Yes, sir.
Now, how will you write calcium bicarbonate? Calcium on the other charges to Ca2 plus. ಹೌದಾ? ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನು? HCO3 minus. Calcium charge is 2 plus and bicarbonate charge is HCO3 minus. If you want to write calcium bicarbonate, how will you write? Ca ಬರೆದು ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಇದ್ರ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? then you will be writing HCO3. HCO3 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ you will be writing the charge on calcium. Calcium ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 32 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು will open the bracket and write. So it will be CaHCO3 twice. That is calcium bicarbonate. Hoda? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can we write reactions of bicarbonate with acids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll take sodium bicarbonate first. What's the formula of sodium bicarbonate? NaHCO3. NaHCO3 plus HCl. NaHCO3 plus HCl. Again, even in bicarbonates, metal bicarbonates, it gives corresponding salt and carbon dioxide and water. Liberates, it forms corresponding salt. Corresponding salt is NaCl. And liberates carbon dioxide. And H2O. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Cl ಒಂದೇ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 1 2 ಇದೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 3, 2 plus 1 3. Carbon 1 ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ. Sodium 1 1. So it is balanced. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, you can write with H2SO4, NaHCO3 plus NaHCO3 plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus CO2 Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Na2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2Na ಅಂತ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2Na ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 into 2 hydrogen atoms, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 hydrogen atoms 4 ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2H2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 CO2 ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೌದಾ? So now it's balanced.
Yes, sir.
Great. Fine. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ ನೀವು?
Sir, ಇನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪೈಸೆ ಎತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದಾನೆ ನನಗೆ.
Pardon? Hello. Calcium bicarbonate. HCO3 twice plus HCl gives CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. ಇಲ್ಲಿ CaCl2 ಅಂತಿದೆ, so it will be 2HCl here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ HCO3 twice ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 carbon atoms. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 ಇರಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ H ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, 2 hydrogen atoms, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2H ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2H2O ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? Is it balanced? Now calcium 1 calcium 1, 2 chlorine 2 chlorine. 2 carbon, 2 carbon. Oxygen atoms 2 plus going to 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 3 2 are 6. Oxygen atom balanced. Hydrogen 4, they are also 4. Yes, it is balanced. Similarly, take calcium bicarbonate plus calcium bicarbonate plus H2SO4 gives calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate CaSO4 plus H2O plus CO2. H2 ilide, H2 ilide, 2H ಇದೆ, so it will be 2H2O. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ C2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರಬೇಕು, 2CO2. Is it balanced?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is how metal carbonates and bicarbonate. This is how acid reacts with metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates. Got it? And we also discussed how acid reacts with metal oxides, right? So in our next class, we'll study how acid reacts with base to form salt and water, and what is the reaction mechanism, and what are the other features of acid-base reaction, and how indicators are used. Yes, when acidic solution has changed to basic solution or neutral, something like that. How indicator play a significant role in acid-base reaction. All that we'll study in our next class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye and thank you, sir.